Good morning on the East Coast, 12:17 a.m. We'll be posting this video shortly to the Professional Storm Responders page. As you can see, we've been tracking the large and destructive tornadoes that have happened in the last hour, or two, in Mississippi, now tracking into Alabama. Was a tornado emergency on this storm that is tracking into Alabama at this point. As you can see, it's just now crossed the state line. It's starting to broaden out near the state line, but this thing could be recycling and possibly putting down another tornado. We're also currently in the background. If you hear, we're watching ABC 3340. James Spann, as always, respect the Polygon. We have the utmost respect for him here at the Professional Storm Responders, one of my favorite meteorologists of all time. Once again, my name's Matt Jacobs. I am with the Professional Storm Responders. Kind of knew today was going to be a bad day. I did see some reports from the SPC of some injuries further back to the west of here. No reports of how extensive or bad those injuries are, but as of right now, no reports of fatalities, which is a good thing. Always a good thing to hear. But we've been running the radar image here. I've been kind of quiet, just kind of observing it myself here. Just so you kind of understand what you're looking at, this is the high-res velocity. And as you can see back near Colonial Acres or Armory, sorry if I butchered that, or Armory, as it crossed into Smithville, they issued a tornado emergency. And you can see the reds and yellows touching the greens there usually indicate strong rotation. As you can see, that almost lavender color, you rarely see that on a radar. Usually indicates a very strong, violent tornado. We'll switch to another product here just so you can get a good idea of what this would look like here in the past hour or two. As you see this blue and almost jet black ball, that is known as the correlation coefficient. What that represents is when the radar sends out a beam, it is detecting anomalies, so not rain or lightning or even hail at this point. This is detecting debris aloft due to a tornado being on the ground. And you can see that this had been on the ground for quite some time before. I apologize for my dogs being mouthy back there, but you can tell this had been on the ground for a while before it appears that it has lifted. As you see that dark black and blue ball, it appears to have dissipated as it crossed the state line. Hopefully that means that this tornado will completely dissipate and the people of Alabama don't have to go through another night of severe weather. But these things have been known to recycle and continuously put tornadoes on the ground. So that is what we are monitoring now. Once again, this will not be a live video. This will be posted here in a few minutes. But just kind of wanted to give you an idea of what we were seeing here, and that we were monitoring this situation as it continued to travel from Mississippi now into Alabama. And as a matter of fact, it does look like this storm has definitely broadened out quite a bit from the last few radar scans. Hopefully the rain-cooled air is possibly choking off the circulation on this storm. We'll have to continue to watch this, and if there's any other updates, we'll make sure that we bring them to you here on the Professional Storm Responders YouTube page. Also, be sure to look us up on all forms of social media. We're on Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and YouTube, all at the Professional Storm Responders. Once again, my name is Matthew Jacobs, continuing to monitor. Have a great night, and stay tuned for more videos.